In practice sets, you can use a math keyboard. To do this, as you type in your first question, click on the Insert Math Formula icon right here. Then click the keyboard next to where the cursor is blinking, and you have all of these different math signs to insert into your equation. So I can choose one of these. And then you can do the same for the answers. So in the answers, I can use a math keyboard by clicking the same icon and toggle it off or on to give students options that have math formulas in them. That's how you use the math keyboard in practice sets.